Hey everybody, what's going on? This is the technical Hamza Farhan. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can check your YouTube recap. So before starting, let me tell you, I just want to let you know that it could take some time for the recap release, but everybody is not going to get it, so you have to wait. Otherwise there are two options. So first one is straightforward. Like, I'm having my YouTube channel, so I'm going to just open my YouTube channel. So it doesn't really like what you have to do. You can see over here my channel. Now you just need to tap over here and you will see this your recap 2025 recap is here. So if somebody doesn't see this, there is another way. So don't worry, this if you are like using YouTube on Android, iOS or laptop, doesn't matter, the steps are the same. So what you have to do, open Google Chrome or Safari or whatever you are using. Now you need to go to the search bar and you need to type in youtube.com/recap. Now just hit the search button and it's going to show you like this. So like here you will see looking for your 2025 recap is available. So this is the way. If one solution doesn't work for you, you can try another. And thank you so much for watching this video, and guys, Merry Christmas to you. Hallelujah.